Does sealing stone stop stains and etches? This is one of the most common and misunderstood questions that we get. The short answer is sealers help slow stains, but they don't stop etches. And here's why. A stone sealer is not like a wax or a polyurethane that forms a film on top. It soaks into the pores of the stone just beneath the surface. Imagine a brush, right? So you have the bristles, and a sealer absorbs into the pores between the bristles, but the actual tips of the bristles are still exposed. So this way, liquids won't penetrate into the pores, but it'll still have a surface reaction. Or think of your skin with lotion, right? So lotion protects and nourishes, but it won't stop a sunburn. Same thing with stones. Sealer helps with stains, but it doesn't block a chemical reaction. So let's separate the two. You have stains, think of liquids. When you think of liquids, you think of can it soak in or not. What sealers do is that they buy you time to wipe it up before it continues to penetrate. Whereas sealers don't prevent by having a coating on top, so it doesn't prevent etches from happening from acidic products. Sealers can't stop that. Sometimes you'll even see both at once. Take red wine, for example. It'll etch because it's acidic, and it'll stain because it's pigmented. People often assume that the sealer failed, but really it worked on the stain side, it just can't fight chemistry. Now, how often should you seal? The industry blanket answer is once a year. The real answer, it depends. Heavy use kitchens may need it annually. A powder room, maybe every 2 years. A mud room, every 6 months. Outdoor stone, every year. Every house and surface is different. So the easiest way to know for sure is try the water test. Drop a little bit of water on the surface. If it beads, you're good. If it darkens quickly, it might be time to reseal. Now, we dive deeper into that subject on our FAQ, how can I tell if my stone is sealed? And here's the bigger picture and the bigger point is that sealing is maintenance. It's not magic. It slows down staining, but etches comes down to what touches the surface and how you care for it daily. And that's where the products matter. Skip the harsh sprays. Stick with a pH neutral cleaner that's designed for natural stone, like a Clean Story Marble and Granite Daily Stone Cleaner. It's safe, streak-free, residue-free, safe for both floors, walls, countertops, showers, indoor, outdoors, name it. It won't strip your sealer. You can find it on Amazon or use the links below. And if you're already seeing stains or etches or your stone is dull and you're in the Chicagoland or the surrounding suburbs, that's where CSI Absolute Clean comes in. We specialize in polishing, sealing, and full restoration. You can Google us or click the links below. So, does sealing stones stop stains and etches? Stains, yes. Etches, no. Sealer is one tool, not the whole toolbox. If you pair sealing with smart cleaning, you'll keep your marble, granite, or limestone looking its best for years to come.